What's really good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at it. I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to another session. I have this 2016 Chrysler Town and Country. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change and the oil life reset at the end. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do it like a pro. Now I'm saying this is easy. You know what I'm saying? Before I get into the action, you know I gotta say, I'm gonna say it again. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Click on the bell button so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Can't stress it enough, you know what I'm saying? The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. It's like regular TV. You gotta come with commercials, you know what I'm saying? So, shout outs to my subscribers. Let's do this. 2016 Chrysler Town and Country. Let's get it. Boom. See this baby come through here? You see this guy right here? Just pull it like that. Pop. That's how you open the hood. You know what I mean? You're gonna come here to the middle of the grill. The latch is gonna be up here, but in the middle though, just pull it like that, pop, push it up. You're gonna have to use a kickstand, okay? Because this thing doesn't have the springs and all that. Now, what you can see right here is this baby 3.6 VVT engine oil cap. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put the oil through here. For those that don't know, we're gonna use a 5W20 type of oil. That's regular oil. You know what I'm saying? And this is the engine oil dipstick where you're gonna check the oil level. But you don't have to do that because I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna tell you how much this baby takes. You know what I'm saying? Easy, baby. Alright, let's get it. Let's do it. We're gonna go to the bottom of the car and I'm gonna tell you where the oil drain plug is and the oil filter. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get it. But the oil filter in this case is right here. Just come through here like that. Pop. That's gonna be a 24 millimeter socket. Maybe you're gonna have to remove this guy right here like that. Pop. 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 Maybe there's another one over here. Oh, thank God it's not. Okay, so there's only 3 clips. Okay. Just gonna lift this. Have to like 1 second coat that, so give you enough space to go in there with the ratchet and your socket, and maybe I don't know, extension. Alright, let's go to the bottom. Alright, so it's gonna be a 24 millimeter. This is a short socket. You can get the set. That's a set right there. That's a 3/8. Okay. So we're gonna come through like this. Right there. And loose it. Okay. Probably gonna need extension or something. It's kind of hard. I'm gonna need both hands. I'll be back. So I'm using a 1/2 inch ratchet because the oil filter housing was really hard to counterclockwise it. Now it's good. I'm gonna lose it until I can do it by hand. I'm doing this first because I know I said let's go to the bottom though, but I'm doing this because the people are like, yo, why didn't you do the oil filter first so you can drain better the oil from the bottom? So, you know, I gotta do what the people say, you know what I'm saying? Using an adapter though. That's a half inch to 3/8 inch to this 3/8 inch 24 millimeter socket. Just gonna lift it a little bit though because I don't want it to leak all over the engine. Just like that. Pop. I'm gonna do it like that. Okay. Or just pull it out. pull it out. Fuck it. There you go. So it looks like. Alright. That's the front, right? So we're gonna come down here. Here's gonna be the oil drain plug, alright? This one right here. You're gonna have to use a 13mm socket, alright? Ready? Don't get a splash. Eee. Come on. Hi. Hi. Is it clean? Is it dirty? Let me know. Put in the comment box how it looks like for you. How it's looking like. Alright. Now we're gonna drain this for a minute, you know what I'm saying? So now we drain most of the oil. We're gonna put the oil drain plug back, you know what I'm saying? Tight it with the 13mm socket. Tighten and snag it. Alright? Don't go crazy though, okay? Don't make it difficult for the next mechanic or whatever. Alright. This is gonna be the new filter we're gonna use, alright? By Parts Master. That's the part number, okay? Let's see how it looks like. That's a filter right there. And it comes with the oil ring. There's the oil ring right there. And what you're gonna do is change the oil ring. Just grab a lock pick, remove it, put the new one in there, okay? In the same position. Just pull the oil filter, pull it by hand, and put the new one. Now we proceed to put it back. Just like that. Don't forget to lube the oil ring, okay? Like, so it's easier to tighten it. So it slide, know what I'm saying? Now tighten it with the 24mm socket. Now when you tie it, just make sure it's sealed, know what I'm saying? Don't try to break it, just tighten and snug it, okay? And if you are a freak specification torque freak, there it is, 25 Newton, okay? But I just do it by hand, all right? Nothing's gonna happen. I'm not tightening it to like crazy, so I'm not worried about it, all right? So I just put this thing back the same way. It has like teeth in there, you know what I'm saying? So just push it down like this, tilt it, you know what I'm saying? Now you put these guys back. Like that, alright? Now the teeth are in there. Now we're gonna pour the new oil. Grab your funnel. The funnel there. We're gonna pour 5 and 9 quarts of 5W20. That's what it says right here, 5W20, which is regular oil. 5.9 quarts is like almost 6, right? So 5.9, I'm saying. Once you put all the oil, the 5.9 quarts, put the engine oil cap back. You can measure it if you want. But it's me, man. It's right there, you know what I'm saying? You can even see it. It's right there, you feel me? Yep, it's supposed to be right there where it says safe. Okay? Now we could close the hood. Let's reset the oil life in this Chrysler Town Country. So I'm gonna shut the car down, van down, whatever. Band down. You got it? Band down, band down. Stop it. Alright, so now I'm just gonna like show you how to reset the oil life, okay? The only way for this Chrysler, since it's like same as Jeep, just gonna click this twice, okay? You see all that? And now you just step on the gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that's how you reset the oil life in this 2016 Chrysler Town and Country. Alright. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box. Click on the bell button so every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know it, not me. If you have any questions, like I said, put in the comment box, and as soon as I see it, I'm gonna reply. Alright. The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. Okay? And it's like regular TV, you know what I'm saying? You gotta come with commercials, you know what I'm saying? So take a break, take a chill pill. You know what I'm saying, if you feel stressed, take a minute, watch the commercials. Or just go get a drink, then come back, you know what I'm saying? And keep doing what you're doing. I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Shout outs to my subscribers. See you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Axtuo, Burung, Maldi.